Howdy Tower, Brickyard 5847, inside patch you, 31.
Brickyard 5847, LaGuardia Tower, runway 31, wind 30010, gust 15, clear to land, cut full departure 4.
Runway 31, clear to land, Brickyard 5747.
Delta 2068, runway 4, wind 30010, gust 15, clear for takeoff, traffic is 2 out, 31.
Clear for takeoff, runway 4, Delta 2068.
Endeavor 5343, LaGuardia Tower, runway 4, line of way, gust lands, runway 31.
4 line of way, 5846. Tower, Brickyard 5747, RNAV X-ray 31, phone 180.
Brickyard 5747, 5747, LaGuardia Tower, 31, with 3009er, gust 15, clear to land, traffic holds in departure, runway 4, you're following traffic 3.5 miles from the approach.
31, clear to land, got the traffic, Brickyard 5747.
Brickyard 5727, contact departure, see you.
Departure, we'll see you, Brickyard 5727. Tower Delta 869, confirm, clear for takeoff 31.
And Delta 846 negative, full short, runway 31.
Alright, Delta 869 is across the whole shoreline.
And this verifies Delta 846.
Delta 846. Delta 846, fouling.
Brickyard 4422, go around, fly, runway heading, climb, maintain 2000.
2000, go around, runway heading for Brickyard 422.
Delta 846, understood, clear for takeoff 31.
Negative, you're not clear for takeoff, runway 31. Stop. I don't know what you're hearing, Delta 846, I'm not talking to you. And Delta 2068, 2068, contact departure.
Departure, Delta 2068.
Alright, Delta 846, I need to get you, since you're moving, proceed on runway 31 and continue down the runway, give me good speed. And plan to make a left turn on the mic.
Alright, good speed on the taxi and left turn on the mic, Delta 846.
Brickyard 5847, continue inbound. There is traffic to be taxied on the runway. Hopefully they'll be off in time, but just in case it might issue go around.
We'll be ready.
You want 4422 to switch.
And Brickyard 4422, stay with me.
Okay.
And Brickyard 4422, turn right heading 320, climb maintain 3000.
And a return 320, 3000, Brickyard 4422.
And Brickyard 4422, contact departure 120.4.
20.4, 422.
And Delta 846, no layout and runway down to mic, please. Left turn on mic.
Left turn on mic, here, Delta 846. Okay, Tower 5747, I need you cleared us to land. There's a lot going on. Can you just reconfirm landing clearance?
And Brickyard 5747, you are clear to land, runway 31.
Okay, great. Clear to land, 31, Brickyard 5747.
And Delta 846, possible pilot deviation, got number cleared and ready, copy.
Ready, copy.
Number is 347846.
Delta 846, copy. Tower Delta 846, is there a place I can taxi off, or I can even stay here right now and talk to Tower?
And Delta 846, hold short of Zulu and go back to ground point 7, we'll maneuver you out the way.
Hold short of Zulu, and we'll go for ground and maneuver out of the way, thanks.